So here on findrobinonline.com, here are a couple things that we have to work on. Is here Find Robin. This is Robin Alerta. I want to get this little text in here a little bit bigger, so we'll work on that this week. Here, so let's go back to pages. I'm going to pick. I just went to all pages here, and then I added this little word count in here. It kind of helps me to see how many words are in each page. It's great for sorting too, so when I click on it, it'll show me what pages need work and which pages have the most words. So the home buying process has 1,558 words. Got a little score of 87 on 100. Could always be better. Sure it could. Coastal properties. Long Beach Homes is being currently edited. So we'll go down to Bellflower Homes for our example here. I'm going to click on Edit. And we briefly talked about in the last video about linking out to other sources. So let's see what we can do here. Get to know Bellflower Homes. Up here we need a little more content before introducing people to a property search and listings in Bellflower. Then Bellflower is broken down into 4 sections. And let's say we wanted to list out to what is Southeast LA County. Let's see what that would be. So I'm going to pick on Wikipedia again and see what happens there. Wikipedia. Don't always want to pick on them too much or focus all my resources onto Wikipedia. No one pays me for that link, but anyway, we're going to type in Southeast Los Angeles County. Then we're going to open up a tab and put, here's good old-fashioned Google. Let's see what pops up for Los Angeles County. I got LA Times, Wikipedia, overview of Southeast Los Angeles County. Let's open that up, see what that looks like. So I open up Wikipedia, click all the gateway cities in Southeast Los Angeles County. Crazy about that, but if I was, I would just highlight the URL and go back to Bellflower. For this link here, what I could do is click on the Insert Link button, hit the gear, type this in. Now what I'm going to do is open up in a separate tab and then put a no follow. So I'm referencing the reader out to this page about Southeast Los Angeles County, but I'm not passing link credit or a backlink to Wikipedia. So sometimes I'll pass a link somewhere, sometimes I won't. What happens to my score on the page? It goes up higher. I don't want to pass out all the link juice or all the backlink power of your website or my website to some other website that has plenty of it. So I pick and choose what I do in there. If it was a sponsored link, if someone was advertising on your site, you can add the ad rel equals sponsored. It'd be great if they're paying you lots of money at Wikipedia somehow, but it's a donation site. Then you would add a link, and now you'd have a link out of your website. I'd suggest giving links inside your website so people can explore the website more. But there's situations where you'll want to link out, like you have a picture of the Steelcraft building in downtown Bellflower. You could, let's see, we need a little editing of our text down here, but Steelcraft, you might want to reference out to that. We talked about that before, what can make some changes on that. But for example, on that there, on Steelcraft, LB, here they are. You want to set up if somebody wanted to learn more about Steelcraft, you could link out to their page. So there's some different ways of creating references out to other pages to help the reader who's reading your website research and go, wow, I wonder what Steelcraft is all about. And they can click a link, go to the Steelcraft website, and learn more from there.